All right, let's dive in. Today, we're taking a ground-level tour of the Cardano ecosystem. And I'm not talking about future promises or abstract theories. We're looking at what's happening right now, the real, tangible progress that shows how this digital city is being built brick by actual brick.
So, let me ask you, what does a thriving digital ecosystem actually look like? What does it feel like? It's definitely not about one giant announcement that makes headlines for the day. No, it's something much deeper, something more constant.
It's that daily hum of activity. It's the sound of projects shipping code, new users joining up, and communities actually making decisions together. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to connect all these seemingly separate updates into one single story of real, sustained growth. Our tour is going to take us through 4 key districts of the city. First, we'll check out his financial engine. Then, we'll see the future tech being built, kind of like the city's infrastructure. After that, we'll drop by the community and governance hubs, the heart of the city. And finally, we'll see how it's all connecting to the outside world in the enterprise arena.
Okay, first stop, the financial engine. Because let's be real, every great city needs a powerful economy where value is created, traded, and put to work. So let's see which projects are really fueling Cardano's economy right now.
And believe me, that engine is roaring. Just look at Strike Finance. They just smashed their all-time high, hitting over 1,600 holders. That's a fantastic sign of growing adoption. But the real story, the really interesting part, is in the health of their market. And what this chart shows us is just incredible balance. You've got nearly $500,000 in long positions, and right behind it, almost $500,000 in shorts. It's this beautiful equilibrium that creates a super stable and healthy trading environment. For the folks providing liquidity, this kind of balance, especially with a ton of recent volume, is exactly what you want to see. It means the market is mature and sustainable. Now let's talk about Surf, because they're building value through pure utility. You can already stake Surf to earn real revenue in ADA and have a say in the project's future. And soon, you'll be able to create new pools and get more leverage just by holding it. The really crucial part here? There are no token emissions flooding the market. This isn't about just printing more tokens. It's about building lasting value. I just love this quote from Fluid Tokens. It captures their whole vibe perfectly. And you know what? It's not just talk. They just had a call with a major whale who was so impressed, he's now deploying serious capital on the platform. That's how you grow. You build something that works for everyone, from the smallest shrimp to the biggest whale. And we're not just talking about one little update here. This is a full-on expansion. Fluid Tokens is firing on all cylinders, listing new tokens, testing out Bitcoin staking rewards, and rolling out new tutorials to get more people comfortable with borrowing and lending. They're just flat out building. And this right here, this is a perfect picture of a healthy ecosystem reinvesting in itself. After a recent NFT mint, the Necro League spread over 1,100 ADA in profits back into its system. And look where it went. Back to liquidity providers, back to stakers, into the treasuries for the future, and even a chunk to buy back and burn tokens. It's a beautiful, circular economy in action. Okay, so all of that financial activity has to run on some solid tech, right? So let's move from the city's financial district to its core infrastructure. The roads, the bridges, the power grid, and see what's being built under the hood. Privacy is a massive piece of that puzzle, and Carnado is making it ridiculously simple. They're plugging right into apps you already use, like TapTools and ChatSwap, to offer privacy as a simple choice. You literally just click Buy Privately. The funds go through their mixer, and they land in a brand new wallet that can't be traced back. It's Seamlink privacy on demand. And then there's this, a huge leap forward for on-chain intelligence. Meet Candy from Sync AI Network. Now, this isn't just another analytics dashboard. Think of it as an AI agent armed with over 80 different tools, designed to give absolutely anyone access to really deep, sophisticated analysis. This is basically putting pro-level data tools in everyone's hands. But you know, a city isn't just concrete and code. It's the people. It's the culture. So now we're going to shift gears and look at the life of the city, how its citizens are playing, engaging, and actually governing their own future. And there is a ton of excitement brewing over in the gaming district with the Cornucopias land grab event. The timeline here is super clear. Phase 1 kicks off September 18th, and that's when you stake your claim. It's not a mad dash, it's not first come, first served. Then, Phase 2, the live selection event, starts on the 24th. This two-step process makes sure everything is fair and organized. And here, this is just a perfect grassroots example of real governance. The Goofy Gopher Mining Club put a simple question to its community. Should we extend the claim period from 2 weeks to 4? And the community voted. The answer was a clear, overwhelming no. So, the policy stays. This shows that governance on Cardano isn't some abstract theory. It's actively shaping projects every single day.
Projects are also finding really cool ways to empower their communities to become builders themselves. World Mobile's An Ambassador program is a fantastic example. They're basically saying, help us connect the unconnected, and in return, they're offering direct access to the leadership team, exclusive community channels, and even a real pathway to a paid role.
All right, for our final stop on the tour, we're heading to the district where our digital city connects with the traditional world. This is where blockchain meets big business, where the ecosystem is building bridges and earning that mainstream respect.
I mean, just look at these names. The upcoming Cardano Summit is all about enterprise, and this list says it all. We're talking about global heavyweights like MasterCard, Volvo, the United Nations, Boston Consulting Group. This isn't just some casual curiosity. This is serious engagement from serious players.
And Cardano's own projects are going to be right there on stage with them. The CEOs of Nuvola Digital and Iagon are going to be featured speakers, sharing their vision for the future. This shows that our ecosystem's builders have earned a seat at the big table, sharing the stage as peers with global industry leaders.
And here's another one, a tangible bridge to a real-world industry. Stuff.io is partnering up with Cineblock, which is a platform for, get this, fully SEC-approved film financing. So when people ask what real-world adoption looks like, well, this is it. It's using blockchain to solve problems in a compliant, regulated industry. So as our tour comes to an end, it's pretty clear. This city is alive and buzzing. The financial engine is humming, the core tech is getting stronger and stronger, the community is vibrant and engaged, and real, serious bridges are being built to the enterprise world. With this much momentum happening everywhere you look, the only real question left is, what's going to be built here next?